Hello and welcome back everyone. Watch till the end and the result will surprise you. Today we are going to make fixture. For our previous project, breaking down the circuit, using Vero board to permanently fix components. First GOST the main switch, then transformer output wire. Now goes the bridge rectifier, and then filter capacitor. Then finally the voltage regulator. Soldering everything. Now our circuit is assembled, mounting on the plastic sheet. Have you made any project in school? Let me know in the comments which was your favorite. Connecting live wires. Connecting the multimeter. Powering it up. Everything is good. Now connecting the light. Turning it on. Flip the switch, Patrick. Everything seems to be working. Now checking amperes. Well, that concludes our experiment. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like and subscribe button.